Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about important question and answers of Pakistan studies relating the history of Pakistan from 1947 to present. Question: Siachen is located in. Answer is Baltistan. Question: Ulema's 22 point was presented on 24th January 1951 by. Answer is 31 ulema. Question: BBC started its first Urdu service on. Answer is 3rd April 1949. Question: In 1949, who founded the Jinnah Muslim League? Answer is Iftikhar Hussain Mamdot. Question: PIA started its international service in dash to Jordan via Cairo. Answer is 1955. Question: Pakistan got status of Test cricket in. Answer is 1952. Question: Under the 1973 Constitution, who is the head of the cabinet? Answer is Prime Minister. Question: First 5-year plan was launched in. Answer is 1955. Question: Pakistan signed Cento Baghdad Pact on 23rd September dash. Answer is 1955. Question: West Pakistan was announced one unit in dash by Muhammad Ali Bogra. Answer is 1954. Question: President Skandar Mirza visited Afghanistan in. Answer is 1956. Question: One unit bill passed during the period of dash on 14th October 1955 and cancelled on 25th March 1969 by Yahya Khan. Answer is Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Question: Pakistan became the Islamic Republic on. Answer is 23rd March 1956. Question: 1956 Constitution was presented in the Assembly in. Answer is February 29, 1956. Question: Martial law was imposed in Lahore in. Answer is 1953. Question: Chaudhry Rahmat Ali is buried in. Answer is Cambridge, London. Question: Pakistan joined SEATO in. Answer is September 1954. Question: Ayub Khan became first elected president on. Answer is 17th February 1960. Question: Ayub Khan transferred the capital from Karachi to Islamabad on. Answer is 1st August 1960. Question: Indus Basin Treaty was signed under World Bank in. Answer is September 1960. Question: Pakistan made the boundary agreement with Iran on. Answer is 21st May 1960. Question: U2 incident happened in. Answer is 1960. Question: Who appointed Amir Muhammad Khan as Governor of West Pakistan? Answer is Ayub Khan. Question: Ayub visited US and Queen Elizabeth visited Pakistan in. Answer is 1961. Question: Ayub Khan visited USSR on. Answer is 3rd April 1965. Question: Zafarullah Khan served as the President of the UN General Assembly's 17th session in. Answer is 1962. Question: Boundary agreement with China was signed in. Answer is 1963. Question: Agreement with Canada on first nuclear power station in Karachi was signed in? Answer is 1959. Question. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto served as finance minister in dash government. Answer is Ayub Khan. Question. Convention League was formed by? Answer is Ayub Khan. Please subscribe this channel and like and share the video.